Clark County community is recovering from its second flood in less than 2 months. Many residents were hopeful to get back to some normalcy, but now that is on hold.
Dejiana Wilson revisited one family who is rebuilding once again.
Here in Clark County, you'll find the small community. Neighbors get to enjoy scenic living with the Kentucky River in their backyard. But lately, they've had to rely on each other as high waters have made life difficult. 6 weeks ago,
So our community has just finished rebuilding.
life was flipped upside down.
To have the support of our family and friends and doing all the demolition and cleanup and remodeling and painting.
Many of the neighbors just recently completed their rebuilding process from the muddy mess in February, like Patricia Stewart-Hopkins and her family.
The kids were excited to be in their bedrooms again and have some sense of normalcy.
With the help of others, the family finished painting the bedrooms, and less than 24 hours later, water filled the home again.
We were so thankful to be able to rebuild and to have that torn away from us in a matter of 24 hours. It hurts my heart.
This time, the water rose even higher, causing more damage and wiping out much that was rebuilt. Patricia says they move items higher, hoping to keep them safe, but river levels were higher than predicted.
So the support of the community is really needed more now than ever. This flood was so much worse than the one in February.
Today, neighbors were able to get some work done, but many of their belongings now belong to the river.
Because of the short notice on the flooding, we lost boxes and boxes of tools and equipment for pools.
The family says they knew life on the river means a chance at flooding, but two major floods so close together is something they never expected. Patricia encourages folks to be a helping hand, and there's a chance to do that this Saturday afternoon here. There'll be a cleanup event. Reporting in Clark County, I'm Dejiana Wilson, Fox 56 News.